Hi, I'm Christine Wilson, co-founder of Think Time. I'd like to walk you through your life coaching planner that will walk you through the process of becoming who you want to be and creating regular routines, rhythms, and to-dos that will help you to get there in your real life. There are weekly time frames, monthly time frames, quarterly time frames, and yearly time frames. I usually tab them like this: the weeklies, the monthlies, you'll notice a lot of free space in our journals, the quarterlies, and the yearly. We've also included some extras in the back that are helpful for expanding on your ideas, looking at different timelines, evaluating decisions, building into your ideal routine, and tracking the habits that will help you to become who you want to be. Again, we end with a lot of notes and free space in the back.